This road is 7.7 kilometers of road that will be commissioned today. And the State Executive Council of Benue State decided to dedicate this road to one of our prominent father of the land, who is late now, Chief Sule Abenga. This road is dedicated to him. He's from this community. He was with Makudi, as the second-class chief of Makudi local government. We lost him last year, and we decided to dedicate this road to him. May I invite our brother, the governor of their state, go ahead and do the commission.
Once again, I'm happy that I'm joined here by the executive governor of Benue State, the executive governor of Rivers State, the executive governor of Oyo State, and my brother, the executive governor of Enugu State, as we officially commission this very, very important and strategic road for the benefit of our people and glory to God. I am happy also that the incoming governor, Chief Uba, is here and he is watching, so that he will continue from where Governor Tom has stopped. In Abia, we have a slogan that all contestants must be urged to place poster on their handwork. Don't come and do your poster on the electricity done by Ortom. If you have not done anything, place poster on Facebook or your telephone. Therefore, all leaders are enjoined to try and leave legacies, so that when seasons like this come, you will have a place to place your poster. We are happy with you and we are proud to be associated with you. I therefore commission this road, praying that all those that will use this road will find prosperity. They will find upliftment. No evil one will see you. Bad people will not use this road.
We are here with the governor of Benue State, Governor Ugwani. We are here with the governor of Oyo State, Governor Makide, and all our PDP senators. 3 of them are here with us. National Assembly members are here. The Speaker and the incoming Governor of Benue State, Engineer Zuma, is here because my wife is also here. Deputy Governor is also here. Members of the Executive Council are all here. So for want of time, we're going straight to do the commissioning. Your Excellencies, our traditional fathers are here, leaders and elders of our party, they are all here. And so we'll all be joining, they will all be joining us at IBB Square. So it is my single honor and pleasure to invite Governor Ikpeazu to step forward as we follow him.